What's up, everybody? Welcome to our new show. I know we've been on break for a little while, but this is going to be the show where we make the cocktails that we drink on the Rum Runnas Podcast. This is the show before the show. This is Two Drunk Dads. Two Drunk Dads. We'll also share some stories about being dads. Now, it's been a little while since we've seen each other, but we did see each other at your daughter's birthday.
That is true.
So, that was the thing we did. That was dad stuff. So, in our first episode, we decided we were going to be some basic chicks. And because it's October, we were going with...
Pumpkin spice!
No. But we're going to be along the lines of that with a chai latte type cocktail. Sort of a hottie toddy, but with our own kick. So, what we're going to put in this is we got 2 cups full of some chai tea that we've already brewed. And we're going to add some Fireball, some Horchata, some Vanilla Vodka, and some simple syrup. So, I'm going to put about an ounce of each, except for maybe the sugar, because I'm just going to put what I want in that, so y'all can do that too.
It's really about what you want and what you like.
So we're going to put in about an ounce Fireball that I spilled on the table.
It's all
Bam.
fun.
I make messes. I'm going to put in, actually, maybe an ounce and a half of our horchata.
Horchata.
This is going to be the cream in our tea.
You're
This is
the
really
apple
hard
of
to
my
do
eye
while standing up.
And cream of my tea. I hope you know that, Kyle.
I hit the microphone and I apologize. Jared, edit that out. I did not put the lid back on that other thing. We will make this nicer when I figure out how to do it.
We're still working on the format.
And I hope you guys are... Oh my God! Ready for season 2 of the Rum Runnas Podcast.
Mine's going to be extra strong.
Alright, so this is pretty low quality so far. I apologize, everybody. And we're going to add our simple syrup. And also, I did not say any of the words that I should have said, so I'm sorry about that. I kind of suck at this so far, but we're going to work on this.
We will get better.
And I'm just going to put in this much simple syrup. Jared wants diabetes anyway, so.
I probably have it.
So what's some dad stuff we could talk about? Like my shirt, I paused my video games to be here. That's a pretty dad joke.
I'm wearing a Cobra Kai shirt. Yay, YouTube.
You're the dorkiest of dorks, because that was the weirdest way to plug that. Let me stir these.
I mean, it's not on YouTube Premium anymore, so it's fine.
It's not on YouTube Premium anymore?
No, it's all going to be free now.
Oh, bet. These are stirred up. We experimented with this a little bit, but the vanilla vodka was a last-minute additive that we put on here. So I hope y'all can get your basic girl on with us. I lost the tea bags. Don't do that. You don't want that, though. I apologize. All right, guys. I don't really know how to make this go any longer.
Should we try it?
Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Oh, my God. I hate the thing. Oh, my God. This is so hard. Cheers.
Tasty yet basic.
Oh, man. It's actually really good. It tastes pretty much just the chai.
Very good.
It just tastes like tea
on these
with
autumn
booze
days.
in it. Now we're going to clean up the set and we'll be back to you guys with another episode of Season 2, first episode of the Rum Runnas Podcast.
See you soon.
Bye.